Okay, so this is a brief, concise introduction about myself. My name is Mohammed Ghoslan and I'm a software engineer. I've been teaching software engineering topics and, of course, computer science topics for almost 15 years now. My main focus is on C#, C++, and Java. Of course, I have skills in set of variety of other topics, but this is my main focus, and my goal is to make your life easy by simplifying and disintegrating the complex topics into simpler ones so for you to digest and consume, because I know the conundrum most of the students face when they're attending other topics or when they're attending other courses is that the instructor begins speaking in profound kind of in-depth about these terminologies without simplifying them and kind of making the surface clear. And of course, to help you build confidence in writing codes, we have to make these concepts clear for you, the clearest that we can make them for you. And of course, I will be sharing knowledge and insights out of my years of experience. I hope you enjoy this journey with me.